There is a type of person who never loses their mind, no matter what happens. They don't break under criticism, they don't spiral under pressure, they don't collapse when everything falls apart. And it has nothing to do with confidence, willpower, or intelligence. It comes from one psychological habit, so quiet, so invisible, that most people walk past it every single day. And the moment you understand what it is, you will never see your own emotions the same way again. Most people believe mental strength comes from confidence, from speaking loudly, from always appearing certain. But what if everything you believed about this was wrong? Because the people with the strongest minds practice one habit, and almost nobody around you knows what it is. Look closely at emotionally powerful people, and you will notice something strange. They don't react quickly. They don't rush to defend themselves. They don't try to win every argument. Instead, they pause, and inside that one small pause lives their entire power. Because these people trained their minds to do something most people never even discover. They watch their own emotions before they respond. Now here is what is actually happening inside your brain right now without you even realizing it. When someone insults you, something fires instantly. Your mind wants to strike back. When someone ignores you, something tightens inside. Your mind wants to prove your worth. When something goes wrong, your mind immediately searches for someone to blame. And the terrifying part? These reactions feel completely automatic, like you have absolutely no control. But mentally powerful people discovered something that changes all of this. Right in the middle of the emotional storm, before the reaction explodes, they stop and ask themselves one silent question. Why am I actually feeling this? That single question does something remarkable to the brain. Instead of being swallowed by the emotion, they begin to see it clearly. Seeing it clearly creates distance. Distance creates control. Picture this. Someone criticizes your work in front of everyone. Most people feel embarrassment, then anger within seconds. Their voice becomes defensive. Their words become cutting. But someone with emotional awareness reacts completely differently. They feel the exact same things, the embarrassment, the irritation, the pressure building in their chest. But instead of exploding, they step back inside themselves and they simply watch it. Like an observer watching a storm, knowing the storm cannot touch them. And something unexpected begins to happen. The emotion starts losing its power, because emotions feed on your reaction. Take away the reaction, and they slowly collapse. Now think about this situation. Someone sends you a cold message, short replies, no warmth, nothing. And instantly, your mind starts writing a story. They're angry with me. I must have done something wrong. They don't respect me anymore. And within 2 minutes, your entire day is destroyed over a story your own mind invented from nothing. But a mentally powerful person catches this right as it's happening. Instead of believing the story instantly, they stop and ask one question. Is this actually a fact, or is my mind filling in the gaps again? That one habit alone saves them from pain that was never even real. Now here is the truth that will change how you see yourself. Mental strength is not about controlling emotions. It is about seeing them before they take control of you. Most people live trapped inside their emotions. They become their anger. They become their fear. They become their insecurity. But psychologically aware people stand just slightly outside those feelings. They see them, they name them, they understand them, and that small distance changes their entire inner world. Because the moment you can observe an emotion, you're no longer a prisoner of it. So the next time anger rises inside you, or anxiety grips your chest, or insecurity starts whispering in your mind, stop, look at it, name it. Watch what it does next, because the moment you can clearly see your emotion is the exact moment it loses its grip on you. And that is exactly where real mental power begins. If this video made you think differently, give it a like,
It truly helps this channel grow. And if you want to understand yourself and the people around you more deeply, subscribe, because every week we go deeper into the hidden truths of the human mind. Thank you for watching.